today I'm gonna be making slime. Yeah, slime, but without borax or glue. So to make it, you'll need shampoo. Any shampoo, like any shampoo at all. I'm having this shampoo. You'll need a bowl and a spoon to mix. So I've got your shampoo. You can put some inside. I'm not gonna put too much. Make sure to put just a little bit of shampoo. Don't put too much. Have some salt over here. Not gonna put all of it, just put a little bit. Yep. That should be enough. Bring just a little bit of salt. Don't put too much, don't put too less. And then you just gotta keep mixing. You have to mix for like 2 minutes. And then there's two options. You can either keep it in the fridge, in the refrigerator, or you can just, keep it with you for like, 1 hour or 30 minutes. But you have to keep it somewhere. Okay, I think that's not enough, so let's just put all of it. Why is this just liquid? Yeah, it's gonna start with this liquid. But you have to keep mixing until you get it. You can also put some color if you want. I don't want to put color. I'm good with some clear slime. Well, it's not really clear, it's white. So it kind of has a color, but okay. Okay, you have to keep mixing. And not 2 minutes. You have to mix for a long time. Not that long, but still you have to mix a lot. I'm not making too much slime because I don't even think this will work. We're trying some different ways of making slime. Because if this doesn't work, then I'll make it. It doesn't work. I mean, it has to work. Not really, but I did trying to do this before actually doing it in the video because I thought it might work. It kind of worked. But then I added some wrong ingredients in and it didn't work. Okay, this is working. Okay, let me just keep mixing and then see you when I'm done mixing. Okay, everybody, so I've been mixing and it didn't work. But, yeah, I'm going to just keep it here for a few minutes. And then I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, guys, so it's been a few minutes. I was there. And still didn't the same. I'm gonna say this did not work. Okay, moving on to the next one. So we're back here in the next one, the next tack, and turns out the next tack is actually, well, I just washed the bowl. So it turns out the next tack is just some Listerine in a bowl. Then you just put it in the freezer for 2.5 hours. Okay, So I've got some Listerine here. It's the exact one I saw in the video. Yeah, we are busting clickbaiting hacks here, okay? I'm just gonna make a little bit slime because if this works, then I'll show it to my friends. But right now, I don't want to put too much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. And now we just gotta go put it in the fridge. I mean the freezer. Okay. So I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and see you back. Everybody, look, I just took it out of the fridge and it's been 2 hours. Ooh. That's cold. But it's not slime. Oh my, that's so cold. Oh, that's ice. I mean, it's still liquid. I thought it was slime when I took it out of the freezer, but oh my god, that is so cold. It smells good, but still not slime. Okay, yeah. That just burned my. Oh my, that is so cold. When I touch it and then do this, oh my god, that feels. If I touch it, do this. Oh my, that feels cold, very cold. Plus it's soapy. Okay, yeah. Oh my, too cold. Yeah, I better move on to the next way. So we're back. And this next hack isn't exactly slime. It's actually something called oobleck. It's both a solid and a liquid. So to make it, you'll need a big bowl. You'll need water and cornstarch. So first you need to add just a little bit of cornstarch to your, that's too much. Oh, let's just put it back in here. Oops, I'm dropping it. And no worries, I'll clean it up. So just a spoon. Let's use the spoon. Put some in here. And then we just need to get a little bit of water. Pour it in. You have to start mixing. Let's pour in some water. Let's start mixing. As you can see, it's starting to become a solid. Yeah, I was wrong. It's not. So we have to put some water in it. Oops, dropped some. And then we have to stir, mix, and then we have to get some more. And we have to get some more again. Put it in, mix. Keep doing it until you get oobleck. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll see you when I'm done. If I don't do this right, I'll try again. Well, I couldn't do it myself, so I had to start watching a YouTube video to do this. Turns out it's hard to make oobleck. So I'm gonna give it a good and a bad. That means a working and not working, because it doesn't always work. I mean, I do know I have cornstarch, yes, but then it didn't work. I don't know why, but maybe because I didn't do it well. Yeah. So I'm moving on to. Sorry, this is the end of the video. Bye.